14 things Gigi Hadid does for beautiful and healthy skin. If you're watching this video, then you already know who Gigi is, so let's cut the intro short. Here is how to maintain beautiful and healthy skin according to the one and only Gigi Hadid. Number 1. Keep your makeup low-key. Leading up to her busiest times like Fashion Week, Gigi always tries to stay away from makeup. During quarantine days, she admits she can go a week without touching her makeup. The model makes sure she gives the reassurance everyone needs by saying, quote, "You know, just putting on deodorant is like we're doing great." As a model, getting her makeup done is a big part of the job. On a busy set, a single brush can be used on 30 or so different girls. That's a cue for a breakout later on, not to mention how the makeup has to stay on for hours. So anytime other than on those days, Gigi makes sure that she keeps her makeup low-key. All she needs is sunscreen and lip balm. Number 2. Water-based foundation for the win. If you have dry skin like Gigi does, opting for a water-based foundation is the way to go. Let's be honest, having your face covered in foundation all day isn't always comfortable. Water-based foundations also offer lightweight coverage and a natural-looking finish, which is perfect for any day. Besides, who doesn't love that glow Gigi is always sporting anyway? Number 3. Take cleansing facial wipes with you. As if we can't love her even more, Gigi has one of the most low-maintenance celebrity skincare routines to date. It's not anything high-tech or only available to a select few. In fact, she gets her things from a nearby CVS, and her overall skincare products only amount to around $50. Being Maybelline's brand ambassador, it comes as no surprise that one of her staple items is Maybelline makeup wipes. Bringing cleansing facial wipes wherever you go can come in very handy. She loves to keep her skin clean and allow Mother Nature to do the rest. Number 4. And always bring your lip moisturizer. Another thing Gigi always has in her bag is lip moisturizer. Her current go-to item is Lano Strawberry 101 Ointment, which you can get for just around $15. In her latest skincare reveal video with Vogue, she shares a useful tip on how to deal with chapped lips. Make sure you put on a quick balm blot before using a lip liner and finally a lipstick of your choice. When you moisturize in the beginning, it sits on your lips as the day goes by. This helps your lipstick set longer and can be especially useful during busy days. Gigi also applies the ointment to areas of her face she feels are the driest, such as around the cheekbones, the tip of her nose, and on the chin. It's a great trick to take care of your dry skin, and the best part is it's safe and efficient. Number 5. Facial treatment? Not a necessity. Gigi is terrified by the idea of someone else touching her face. That's why she opts out when it comes to facial treatments. In fact, in the same Vogue video, she said that she learned how to do extractions by herself. Quote, "I never really had a specialist. I don't know, I'd rather learn how to do it myself and do it gently," she says on staying away from facials. That said, doing extractions by yourself is not advisable by skin specialists. The delicate work does need to be done by pros since it can cause damage to your skin if it's done incorrectly. Number 6. Remember to exfoliate. Since her younger days, Gigi has loved to exfoliate. She uses the famous St. Ives apricot scrub to clear the debris from her face. Gigi admits that she still uses this product. The main reason why you should exfoliate is that your face produces dead skin cells all the time, and these can clog pores, causing blackheads and whiteheads as well as making us look older. For the best result, dermatologists suggest exfoliating 2 or 3 times a week, but if your skin has breakout issues, you should probably not do it more than once a week. Number 7. Double cleansing before bed. This is the most basic and number 1 rule for skin cleansing. If you're someone who regularly uses makeup, double cleansing allows for more extensive removal of your makeup or sunscreen. Moreover, it prepares your skin for your nighttime skincare routine. Though Gigi admits she would sometimes go to bed with her makeup on, she's only human after all. She understands the importance of double cleansing. Number 8. Try to have enough sleep every day. Apart from keeping her skin moisturized, having enough sleep on a daily basis is also important for Gigi. A good amount of sleep helps regenerate your skin optimally. Sure, this routine is easier said than done, particularly with a new baby. To help you achieve the minimum 8 hours of sleep every night, though, make sure you don't go to bed very hungry and stay away from the screen. Leave your phone and turn the TV off. Then the sheep counting may proceed. Number 9. Handle dry skin with thicker products. Approaching the colder months, Gigi puts aside her summer skincare routine. Dry skin gets even drier during the winter. To tackle this issue, Gigi goes for thicker products that provide intense and deeper hydration. She usually combines ceramidin cream from Dr. Jart and Oditis A concentrate to support her dry skin. The former is said to be a great choice due to its high-performing ingredients, and the latter is possibly the one she spends the most money on. But considering its nourishing qualities, it's a great investment. Number 10. Drugstore skincare staples. Why not? Aside from the Audacité product, nothing in Gigi's skincare routines involves hundreds and thousands of dollars, even though as one of the world's highest-paid models, she could certainly afford it. In fact, Gigi uses drugstore skincare staples such as St. Ives and Cetaphil's Gentle Face Cleanser. She vouches for these products, and all that matters is these products work well on her. Gigi said, "I just always wanted good products, and I don't think you have to pay a lot for that." Ugh, so true, honey. Number 11. She used natural products during her pregnancy. Throughout her pregnancy, she thought it was best to opt for natural products. She used Oliveta's olive leaf cleansers and oils to maintain her perfect glow. While this may be the route she took for the baby's safety, opting for natural products is always a wise decision. But before you jump on board the natural product train, note that natural ingredients aren't always free from potential risks compared to highly tested synthetic ingredients. Producing the latter requires knowing which ingredients may cause inflammation or skin irritation, while naturally derived ingredients may have more components that can contribute to some level of irritation. Number 12. Fight acne with toothpaste. Now, this trick is as old as time, passed from mothers to daughters all across the country. Although she's been saying this forever, it turns out Gigi is still loyal to this trick. She did say she might get in trouble for saying that, though. Gigi admits that she never sticks to particular toothpaste. She goes from one brand to another, and it turns out they're all pretty good at drying out as it. One important takeaway note from this tip is that just because it works doesn't mean it's good for your skin. Toothpaste contains ingredients that definitely aren't meant for your skin, and that may raise issues in the long run. Be careful with this one, ladies. Number 13. On being adventurous with your skin, make sure you've seen it before. Gigi tends to be very cautious when it comes to taking care of her skin, except for that toothpaste trick maybe. Since she became the face of Maybelline, Gigi told W Magazine that she tries to be more adventurous with her makeup on red carpets. That said, she's still playing it safe, so even when she tries something new, she always makes sure that she's seen it somewhere else first. This will save you from not liking the end result, as well as knowing how it will affect your skin later. Number 14. Know what works best for your skin. Isn't it encouraging to see how Gigi's skincare routine is totally doable? This is because she stays loyal to what makes her feel good and what works best for her. The products don't always need to be crazy expensive. All that matters is that it works for you. Sure, if you have the means, you can always go for something a bit pricey if it works best for you. The always relatable Gigi. We get to learn from Gigi that it's important to be practical and go for products that work best for you. Also, remember that you don't always have to break the bank for the right and the best products. Gigi, one of the highest paid models in the world, can certainly vouch for that.